The dream was simple. Learn Linux, learn Python, hack a few machines, find a vulnerability, get a bug bounty. But somewhere along the way, everything changed. Today, cybersecurity isn't the same industry it was 10 years ago. AI can write code, AI can analyze malware, AI can explain vulnerabilities. Companies are using AI to detect attacks before a human analyst even notices them. Bug bounty programs have become more competitive than ever. Cloud security has replaced traditional infrastructure, and every day, thousands of new people decide they want to become hackers. So the question isn't, how do I become a hacker? The real question is, should I even keep learning hacking? Before we begin, if you enjoy videos and want to learn hacking the right way, make sure you subscribe to Hacker's Arsenal. I upload new cybersecurity videos twice every single week, so don't miss the next ride. Now let's get into it. First, let's be honest. If you're learning hacking because you think you'll become rich overnight, you're probably learning it for the wrong reason. The internet loves selling the idea that hackers sit in dark rooms, press a few keys, and suddenly earn thousands of dollars. Reality isn't like that. Real cybersecurity is hours of reading documentation, debugging code, learning networking, understanding operating systems, and repeating that process hundreds of times. The people who succeed aren't the smartest people in the room. They're the ones who refuse to quit. Take cloud security as an example. Years ago, most companies stored everything on physical servers. Today, businesses run on cloud platforms where a single misconfigured storage bucket, an exposed API, or an account with too many permissions can lead to a massive security incident. Modern hackers aren't just learning how to exploit vulnerabilities, they're learning how cloud infrastructure works. And if you understand cloud security, you're preparing yourself for one of the fastest growing areas in cybersecurity. Now let's talk about AI. A lot of beginners think AI is going to replace hackers. I don't think that's true. AI is replacing repetitive work, not curiosity, not creativity, not human intuition. Someone who understands Linux, networking, programming, and how computers actually work will always get more value from AI than someone who depends on it for every answer. Another thing that's changed is competition. 10 years ago, knowing how to use a few security tools made you stand out. Today, almost everyone has Kali Linux, ChatGPT, and thousands of cybersecurity tutorials. Tools don't make you different anymore. Knowledge does. That's why the future belongs to people who build things, write scripts, create tools, analyze malware, reverse engineer software, study cloud environments, learn Active Directory, understand APIs, explore AI security. These are the skills companies are looking for today, not someone who memorized commands. And here's something I wish every beginner understood. You don't need to know everything. You just need to know more than you did yesterday. One project, one lab, one chapter, one mistake, every single day. Progress beats perfection every time. So, should you keep learning hacking? If you're chasing quick money? Probably not. This field will test your patience more than almost any other career, but if you're the kind of person who loves solving puzzles, who takes things apart just to understand how they work, who gets excited when something finally clicks after hours of frustration, then don't stop. Keep learning. The future won't belong to the people who know the most tools. It will belong to the people who never stop learning. So, open your editor, build something, break something, fix it, learn from it, and repeat. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Hacker's Arsenal, and I will see you in the next one.